So next I'm going to go in with our liquid blush, and I'm going to pop this onto the cheeks. You can obviously put it on directly onto your skin if you want, but on Katrina today I'm just going to put a little bit onto the palette, and using the same brush from my brush collection and that we use for bronzer, I'm just going to take a little bit and start to work that into the cheeks. So you can see I'm applying it a little bit higher here. I like to use this nearly as a highlighter because it has a gorgeous glow in it and really illuminates and lifts the skin. And I feel like blusher trends have changed as well, and this seems to be the best place to apply your blusher, just to give your face a nice lift. So with liquid blush, you get a longer lasting finish because of the cream formula, and it almost stains the skin. You can use it as a base and put powder over if you want to, or you can just use it on its own. So that's our liquid blush done. They are a lot more long lasting because they are liquid finish as well, so they stain the skin and they're going to last you all day.